Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic 2017 Honda CR-V. The rear brake pad needs to be replaced as usual. You cannot replace it without release it. You have to release the electric parking brake to put it into the service mode. So we are going now. Welcome again. Please subscribe, share and like. So what we're gonna do is we are going to use our diagnostic tool as usual. Sorry about that. And we're gonna go, be sure it's fully charged. And we're gonna go to diagnose. Ignition must be on. We're gonna go the VIN number, auto detect. You're gonna wait till here change become green, this place. If it doesn't come green, it will not communicate. Except, yeah, it's green now. So now we are going to read the VIN number. We say okay. Now here we have, okay, we're gonna go to US. Ford here, Honda have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or general. That's the car CR-V 2018. Now I'm gonna diagnose the system, initialize. There is a quick service, but it's better to go through the diagnostic and go to the electric parking brake or function service for like servicing, like service here. Also can do the same thing. Maintenance, reset with tool, reset without tools. I don't need this. Chassis, because it's under the brakes and ABS. Let me see if I can get it here. I will be happy. This is the parking if you want to use it, for example, to brake hold. Okay. We don't have nothing here. So we're gonna go back. It's not here. I don't know what is SCS. Let me see how it functions. Electric park brake. Electric parking brake. Brake pad maintenance. Enter brake pad maintenance mode. Back to normal. Okay. I gotta go here. Say okay. You're gonna hear a noise. Check the following: release parking brake. Stop vehicle battery voltage is over 10. Voltage is good, it's over 10 here, you see it. Do you want to execute the part? Release the parking brake. To release the parking brake, push it back. It's already released. So now I gotta say yes. You're gonna hear noise in the back. You hear? Zzz. 25 seconds. Now that's it. Transition to pad exchange mode has been complete. Perform the brake pad maintenance. When the pad maintenance is complete, you must return to the normal mode in order to return the pad to the original position. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like this. So we're gonna wait here now, and whenever we're ready, we push the back to normal. So we go back and we're gonna do the work. So let me leave the key on. I'm gonna take my light. We're gonna put it. Okay, Raymond, we are ready. Let's go. Which one are you gonna start? Left or right?
He's on the side.
Are you at the side? I never know that you are in the other side of the continent.
I see your YouTube.
You see me?
Yeah, I watch your YouTube sometimes.
If you see me, that means a lot of people see me.
I see you with the machine. I might need some programming too, okay?
Yeah, no problem, brother. Thank you. Oh my goodness. You see how it's almost the brake so badly finished. This guy, he pushed the brake with his 2 feet. That's why.
To buy something, I have to go to Nigeria, will it cost me?
Which one?
The machine I see your hand just now.
By naira or by
Dollar.
dollar?
I live here.
You live here by dollar?
Yeah.
Okay, between 3,000 to 4,000.
So that's a very good one because I see your hand. I'm saying
You see me there, right?
that's enough for me to eat in Nigeria. When you go to them, it's 10,000 naira for putting on your car.
You come from America, you have to work for at least 5 years for free for them.
Eh?
Yes, you have to teach at least 100 and work for them at least like 5 years for free. You have to build your country. You come here, you waste your age, and now you don't want to help the people back.
I have them in 42 years.
Oh
I
my!
have them in this country.
Okay, I believe you.
Yes, sir. And I went to take him to the casket to the mouth there.
Okay, this video is gonna be so beautiful also. Oh my goodness, look at it. Look at how it's coming good. You don't need to change those spacer, right?
No.
They're still good.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, this car getting too. And this is piece here is for oh my goodness, how beautiful it is. Now that thing gonna come easy? You already put it all the way in? Okay, let's go. I know you. Yes. Now we're gonna put that piece there. That's so good. Some cars are giving us very hard time, but it's okay. You're gonna hear the noise. That they go back. So I'm gonna leave this because it's open both sides. Mercedes-Benz open one at a time. Every company have their own functions. Okay. We are in 6 minutes. So by the time we change the other one, we go put the tire. It's like in 10 minutes. Okay, now here. Let's go. You already released it, right?
You already lose brake.
So I believe like this tool is good too. Like a huh? It give all the light we need. So we don't have to. Okay. If you don't release it, it's not easy to come out, right? It holds it.
It will not.
Okay. And you have to release it while the. You need to use this one also, or you can use a professional one, wherever is easy.
This one is just simple.
The simple one. Yes, it's going. Yes, that's one good. Now the brakes finish. Beautiful. We're gonna put the new one. That's a good one. This is 2018. That means this brake was here. This original brake is here for almost 3 years. Yes. Yeah, I see the brake now. The safety issue is here. Before you have to pull a cable, and the cable come and pull the parking brake. And when the winter come and the brake freeze, you cannot move the car. So you don't have to put the brake there.
This one here.
We're good? Yeah, it look like we're good. Just put the, I see it. Now you have to adjust it from the back. You have a problem?
Okay.
Yes, I see. Please subscribe, share, and like. It's very simple. See this turning. It's still turning because we release it. This front wheel drive, right? So that's why.
No, this is all-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive and this thing is still turning? No man, not all-wheel drive. Say, this is not all-wheel drive.
Yeah, this is the axle.
You have the axle there?
Yeah.
I never know that. So it is engaged when you have to push the button maybe. Okay, now I'm gonna go back and push the button to return to the normal mode. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna come here, I'm gonna show you something now. Okay, I'm gonna go click here. Ignition is on. Okay. Now you okay, say okay, you're gonna hear what happened. Listen now. Here, 25 seconds. See? You see? Good. Huh. Now we are okay. The noise finished and the normal mode supposed to be done. Let me see now. I have to be sure that everything good for the safety. Do not give the car to the customer till you are in good sure. Part was moved to the original position. This function is finished. I will say thank you. I said escape this. Turn the ignition off. Turn the ignition on. That's it. So we know that. Don't forget, after you read everything, come to this place, which is here, EPB, and escape. Now I'm gonna start it. We don't have any maintenance that require. All the light is off. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Please subscribe and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Thank you.